Get you some! Whoa! See? She's cool. Alright y'all, what you have here is the all brand new EXB Kraton. Man, that's my EXB I've been beating on for a month. Still stock, got the M2C shock standoffs on all four corners this time. I got a Vidavon rear diff case. I've got M2C rear tower support brace. I did fix my shock, so I'm back running the stock shocks all the way around. Other than that, that's it. I've got a T-Bone Racing rear bumper. 3D RC wing mount, that's awesome. Basher Queen ESC plate, FIRMA 160 ESC with a 2200 4082, geared 18. Let's see what's up. Not even gonna try to go forward. My little demon. Alright, let's see what kind of skills I have today. I don't have much time, we got some rain coming in. Jesus mighty. I never installed that 800 kV. I didn't have enough lubrication. If you watched my last video, you know what we're going at. Look at that, boys. Get you some with the cartwheel back on the front wheels. Good grief, this thing's a beast. Come on, K6. I just barely even hit the ramp. I'm like feathering the throttle. Give myself a little blow by right off the top of the ramp. Nice fronty. Yes, this session's starting out pretty good. Ah, dang wind just now started blowing. Whew. Oh, my glasses on, man. My sunglasses. I can't see nothing. Ain't no reason to get a good running start. This thing's flying well. Didn't that time. What the hell I was just thinking. Come on there, Kraton. Give me a blow-by Friday night. Get you some. My wheels are jacking to the right when I gassed it in the air. Oh, that was brutal. Oh, it still looks good. God, that was really brutal. That hurt me. Seems to be alright, y'all. Man, I'm squinting so bad my eyes are hurting. I usually wear sunglasses, but I took them off. I don't know why I took them off. Messing my whole run up. God, loving this car. It's kind of a boring run, but it's fun. One wheel wheelie. Hey, can I have my glasses off the table? Thanks, honey. Got a good wife. That's wife number one. Wife number two hasn't got off work yet. I like to have two of everything. Got two RCs of every. I ain't bullshitting. I got two of everything. Get you some. Alright, y'all. I flipped over. I'm gonna pause this for a minute, get my glasses on. Hi, my wife number one got me my sunglasses. Hey honey, I told everybody I had 2 wives. See? She's cool with it. Man, if y'all can't joke around and have fun with your wife and what good is life? Y'all gotta have fun. Don't be so damn serious. It's like when everybody was getting all worked up about the Traxxas. Yeah, I just went there. I was like, what is wrong with people? Man, just be happy we got another platform. You know, I mean, I used to be a very violent, angry person growing up. I was that guy. But I got older and wiser, and then it ain't worth it. Be happy, man. Try to make other people happy. Quit knocking what other people are doing. Have a good old time. Get you some. I think I'm going in there. We see my battery's getting low. Yeah, baby, I had to tap the brake on that one, or it wouldn't have not came over. That was for you, brother Thomas. That one was for me, everybody. Oh, man. I'm getting pretty good about coming off that hill. Oh man, what's going on with you? You're full of dirt. Donuts in the grass, y'all. Donuts in the grass. LDC, I almost didn't pull it out. I made a whole pack and she's all ready for round 2. Look at that. Alright, y'all, I'll give you a little overview up at the house. Just want to let y'all know I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. If there's something you guys want to see that I'm not doing, put in the comments and I'll see if I can make that happen. Peace. Alright, y'all, made it back to the house. All I did was pull the clips. I want you guys to see it with me. Oh. Let's check that temperature. Oh, she's really hot. How is that motor still running? 260 degrees. ESC 150. LIPO 150. That motor is crazy hot. 260. I gotta get that cooled down. Let's check it out real quick so I can get off and cool this down with some air. It looks good. Front looks good. No broken R's, no broken shocks. Nothing's broke. Chassis still straight as a board, yo. Alright, y'all. That's it. I'm going to leave it be. Everything looks good. Oh, the 3DRC wing is the bomb. Y'all need to buy one or two. Buy 3 and send me one. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all want me to do next. And we'll see if we can accommodate that request if I get any. Alright, y'all. Till next time. Peace.